Spin Master Monster Jam Series Axe Series 29. Here is the back of the card, and we have Axe, and he is in Arena Favorites. Also in Arena Favorites, we get Gravedigger. Megalodon is in Phased Out, and then Monster Mutt Dalmatian is in the Rough Crowd. Then we have the Mohawk Warrior in Legacy Trucks. Soldier of Fortune is in the Steel Reveal. Lucas Oil Stabilizer is in Arena Favorites. The Black edition of the El Toro Loco is in Legacy Trucks. And then we have Glaze Machine, and he is in Monster Feast. And that is the chase piece for this year, is the food trucks. No longer do they come with a bonus or a poster, the Monster Jam series. I wish that they did, at least a poster. That would be nice. But you can get everything off of monsterjam.com. Here is a little code here that you can use and find out the poster and the other trucks, what they are all in the mini series, even though they are in the bigger series. But let's go ahead and unbox Axe. Out of the package now, here is Axe with red wheels. And then we get a silver roll cage and a black chassis. Back here now onto the truck itself, the Monster Jam logo. And then we have a long axe handle going around the curve, the wheel well. And then we have the axe. Then we have a sponsorship, the name of the truck. Into the front now, we have some design for the headlights and a little bit of the grill right there. Up top, that's a nice design, pretty cool for the firemen. Coming on to the other side, and on the back tailgate, some yellow stripes on the back of the tailgate. A little black up here, not too much, just part of the body. And then up top, now we get American flag with a red line. So Axe, it's very cool. Axe is in the Team Screen stable. It is a 1941 Willys body on a chassis built in 2008. It's dedicated to the service of firefighters around the world. The truck made its debut in 2017. That is some information that I got off of monsterjam.com. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing of Axe, and I hope that you find it in the stores.